Beware the fury of a patient man. There is a pleasure in being mad which none but madmen know. Great wits are sure to madness near allied, and thin partitions do their bounds divide. All things are subject to decay, and when fate summons, monarchs must obey. Words are but pictures of our thoughts. Love is love's reward. For they conquer who believe they can. When I consider life, it is all a cheat, yet fooled with hope, people favor this deceit. Love is not in our choice, but in our fate. Anger will never disappear, so long as thoughts of resentment are cherished in the mind. Anger will disappear just as soon as thoughts of resentment are forgotten. Self-defense is nature's eldest law. Boldness is a mask for fear, however great. Pains of love be sweeter far than all other pleasures are. To die is landing on some distant shore. Ill habits gather unseen degrees, as brooks make rivers, rivers run to seas. Forgiveness to the injured does belong, but they ne'er pardon who have done wrong. Forgiveness to the injured does belong, but they ne'er pardon who have done wrong. Look around the inhabited world, how few know their own good, or knowing it, pursue. Shame on the body for breaking down, while the spirit perseveres. You see through love, and that deludes your sight, as what is straight seems crooked through the water. Seek not to know what must not be revealed, for joy only flows where fate is most concealed. A busy person would find their sorrows much more, if future fortunes were known before. Repentance is but want of power to sin. Let grace and goodness be the principal lodestone of thy affections. For love which hath ends will have an end, whereas that which is founded on true virtue will always continue. Love works a different way, in different minds, the fool it enlightens, and the wise it blinds. Beauty, like ice, our footing does betray, who can tread sure on the smooth, slippery way, pleased with the surface, we glide swiftly on, and see the dangers that we cannot shun. God never made his work for man to mend. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.